Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the easiest way to apply a screen protector for my Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone. Keep in mind you will also find such screen protector for most of the smartphones, link in the description of this video. So let's get started. If it's your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing as I do regular tech videos including smartphones, smartwatch reviews, tech tutorials and much more. Also check out the playlist tab to find dedicated playlist for various tech with more detailed videos like this one. Be sure to check it out. Okay, so before I start, I want you guys to know that this is not a sponsored video. I usually like to use full body screen protective case for my smartphones. I have reviewed some cool magnetic full body case linked at the end of this video, but one major drawback with those is the underscreen fingerprint sensor does not work with the full body case, and hence I'm more keen into getting a screen protector. Now I have used a lot of cheap TPU screen protectors, but believe me, most of you must have had nightmares putting them on, as A, you want them to be precisely applied, and B, you don't want those annoying air bubbles lingering around. So JETech has a cool ingenious solution to it. I got this JETech curved screen protector for my Galaxy S10 smartphone for only 10 Canadian dollars from Amazon, and it was delivered in just 2 days despite of the pandemic. As I'm a Prime member, by the way, if you haven't tried Amazon Prime, you're missing out a lot. Check out the link in the description of this video to try Amazon Prime for absolutely no charge, which includes streaming services like Amazon Prime Video, Prime Music, and much more. Now on the box it says ultra clear, highly responsive, anti-fingerprint, which is what I really want, and abrasion resistant. Let's go ahead and open up the box. So inside the box you get an instruction guide, which I'll be showing it to you in real time in a second. You also get few goodies like a microfiber cleaning cloth, a good quality squeegee, a warranty card. Come on, who gives a warranty card for a product less than 10 bucks? This blue thing is a dust removal sticker which can pick up minute dust particles with its adhesive. And this part here is what will pull off the party trick. I will show it to you in a while, and obviously you get two screen protectors. Now let me briefly walk you through the installation process. You see this black plastic part? This is custom to your phone and it goes in the charging port of the phone. There is an adhesive at the back of it which you have to stick it up on a smooth surface after you plug it in the charging port of your phone so that it does not move. Then you peel off the mask on the screen protector labeled number 1 on the top part of the phone. Then slowly remove the layer 2 while using the squeegee to slide along, and finally remove the layer 3 on the top and use your fingers to stick the edges. Let me show you the entire process in real time. So to me, this entire process is ingenious and very easily pulled off. You can find a screen protector for your desired phone in the description of this video. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Also follow me on my other social media network for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thanks so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.